Alright guys, welcome back. Bring the mic over here. That's the second day in a row I've done that. Alright, let's go over last night's trade recap. Let's have a gaze. And we'll also go over potential other trades that could have been taken. So, let's go and replay straight up and let's go to start new. Select a bar and we'll go to 9:30. That's 9. Okay, so let's get down to 30-minute and redo this so it's correct. Also, I've got this new indicator over here. I'll show you a bit more about that. So, okay. Are we alright? Okay, I don't know why I did that, but I should ignore it. Hold up. Hasn't gone past our trade, has it? Oh, that's just great. Fuck you, replay. I'm coming after you, TradingView. Alright? No one's safe. Anyways. Actually, that was on the index. I didn't even take it on. So, for the record, we're alright. Anyways, so see this, that's our 4-hour candle. So then we can see if, like, it's really good to see if we're going to break structure. But for this instance, we're in a relative downtrend on the 4-hour. Hourly is in a downtrend, but on ES is in an uptrend. We broke structure, so that was our bias going into the session. Also, our main bias was, where is it? S&T divergence here, New York to pre-market low. That was our main. Right, we're going to take longs kind of thought process. So let's go down the 5-minute. So, hold up. Off rip. So is this what it was again? Yep. So Nasdaq ripped. Big off rip. And ES stayed, hold up. Stayed low. So this is showing to me that this SMT was working. So let's play the next candle. Now I'm already thinking I want to take a long, probably on Nasdaq, off an equilibrium. So why isn't that marked out? I must have erased it last night. So I already want to take a trade off equilibrium pretty quickly because we already got an SMT in pre-market, and I'm pretty open to taking an earlier trade within the first 15 minutes. So let's go here. Right, so let's go on the 1 minute where we entered. So looking for a break of structure, and that's where we're going to enter. So we got this massive candle up, which signified to me that we're probably retraced down, probably looking to be bullish. We see the same on S&P. We entered on Nasdaq. I just got that thing there. I started doing it so it's easier to explain. So stop on the 5 minutes so we can play through. So I wanted to go to break even off this high, TP1, London, and then TP2's a bit of low resistance. So let's just play through. Bit of a weird moving day this was. So right here I went to bed and I was like, oh, we're locked. And then we just opened that new 4-hour candle and just got absolutely cooked. Now you could see the argument for the short here, but there was never really a high draw on liquidity that was swept out on the anything. So look on the half hourly. Is there even half hourly draw? There's a couple low resistance half hourly draws, but not enough to look past these lows and how low we are to take a long for the long straws. So the long straws look better. And then when we broke past that SMT divergence here a bit earlier in the trade, so right up before we entered, we got that, which to get the SMT, which is when I was umming and ahhing. I was thinking, well, look at our liquidities to the downside. We didn't take anything out to the downside, and there's a couple of lows to the downside, but not as much. I saw it as not as likely as these highs to get taken out. So that's like where trading starts to get technical, where like there's draws to both sides. You can make the argument that we're in a downtrend on the high time frames, but you can also make the argument that we're making high time frame sweeps for the upside and getting a reaction in SMT, therefore to take longs and go to these highs, but we're proven wrong, and that was a bit of a fake out that we fell for. But it still looks like a good setup, other than us getting cooked, obviously. But I'm pretty sure most traders were taking the same trade. I'm pretty sure TJR got cooked on this trade as well. I don't know if I just know we got cooked. Yeah, I'll show you the P&L. Quick, the pressure's on. Everyone's watching. Oh, I already got it up. It's 320 or 333. Remember, low risk account balance is $84. I don't even bother posting it on the story anymore because I don't know, there's not much to really talk about. It's $3 and I'm trading on low risk. So I prove myself, because remember, we're still following I'm tapping the little drawer with the folder in it. We're following our monthly rules. So yeah, that's our trading day. Let's have a gaze at our Forex Factory, see what news we got this week, but I'm pretty sure we got nothing, and nothing. Pretty crazy week for news. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. You know, use watching these videos is like buying Bitcoin 2012. Remember that, alright? So like, you know, when you see like motherfuckers comment on like TikToks and be like, investing at certain amount of likes, use like investing at 10 followers type shit. So hop on it. And see you in tomorrow's recap.